mga vlogs. Kaya follow me mode. Ayan, basketball lang tayo. Friday afternoon. Just gonna see kung he's gonna follow me here. Yeah, good. Yan. Ayan, try natin yung ano, mini 3. Hindi yung pro ang kinuha ko kasi it can go up to 10 kilometers daw eh. So I'm planning to go to I thought it's following me. Oh, you have to have the controller with you. To follow you. Yan. You have to have a controller. So it stopped following me. I'm gonna try. See if you can find me. Yan. Where is it? Yun. Found me. Kailangan dala-dala ko to para i-follow tayo. So ang regular niya is $8.19 I think, or something for fly more combo. May kasamang 3 battery charger. So I'm gonna try to see if may test natin. Yeah, you keep learning, no? The vlogging, you don't stop learning. You know, money is just secondary. You just do it for target loss. Here.
Three, two, one, go.
Siguro dahil sa ano, yun, mga ka-vlogs, dahil sa araw, shadow naman yung pina-follow niya, hindi ako. Paano yung shadow lumiit, diba? Yan natin yung footage nito. Tapos yung audio baka dito sa GoPro kasi wala mga audio yung ano, yung drone, diba? So maganda na, no? Pero I'm still hesitant kung bakit mag t-shirt dahil yung hangin niya malamig ko rin. So yung visual tracking 21%. Yan lang natin so ayun, napanood ko yung kay Uragon sa Canada, no, na nababawasan daw yung kanyang watch hours. Hindi niya alam kung bakit. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. I don't know, baka hindi organic yung watch hours. Same IP, pag same IP babawas nila yung double na IP. So sa watch time yun lang ata yun yung naisip ko eh. So same network. So meron ako napanood dun mag-use daw ng VPN, pero They know. I think Google knows. Yung AI nila is very sophisticated. So I just try to like learn as you go YouTubing, vlogger. Money is, if you doing YouTube for the money, I don't think it's for that. It's for learning, and improving yourself, at saka camaraderie sa mga YouTube vloggers. So tuloy-tuloy lang, as long as you learn from your work. Money is secondary. I-keep mo lang yung trabaho mo. It's not gonna get you full-time payment for your mortgage or your bills, but it just gives you enough time, enough reward for the watch hours or and watch ads. So just keep vlogging, right? So yun lang, at ito lang ang ating masasabi. Ayos.